What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Boss. So today we're going to be talking about this, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. As you guys are aware, I did an unboxing video on this bad boy. If you want to check that video out, then links in the description below, so you can check that video of me unboxing this device. But yeah, pretty damn neat device. Obviously, I played around with it, messed around with it, used it for a couple of days and that. So yeah, I'll be bringing you guys a review as well. But for today, I'm going to be telling you 7 reasons why you should go ahead and buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm going to tell you why to ditch the Note 10 and go ahead and just buy this straight out of the box and just start using it straight away, especially this color as well. But yeah, anyway guys, before I start the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on your post notifications so you're updated on when I upload a video. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, share the video as well. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. First of all, put my hair down. Yeah, I forgot to do it before I started the video. Look, so see how much I look better. I look way better like this, isn't it? Oh my god. Anyway guys, right, we're gonna kick it off first of all with the colors. The colors with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are absolutely amazing. As you can see, I've got the Mystic Bronze here, and wow, look at it. It's beautiful. It's bronze, but it has a little bit of a purplish. I don't know if you can see on top of that camera lens, just right there. You can see it's a tiny little bit purple, but yeah, it's got like a purple kind of like, I don't know, like it's got like a purple kind of hue to it. It's not, the back is bronze, but like the side of the phone, you can see a little bit of like purple tint, which is good because then it's not like it's just bronze. It gives it two kind of color code kind of thing, which I like. It looks good. It looks good to me. But yeah, the color is absolutely awesome, and then obviously you get it in the Mystic White and in the Mystic Black as well. Which yeah, they're nice colors, but I mean, if you want to really make your phone pop like I do, and I want people to see the phone and be like, oh, ask me a question. What's that phone? What's that? What phone have you got? I want to draw people's eyes to my smartphone basically. That's why I go for the crazy colors. That's why I have the Mystic Bronze here, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, like I said, you get it in the white and the black as well, which is boring. Mystic White and Mystic White. But yeah, if you want to show off and you want people to ask you what phone you have, then go for this color. And for the S20, I know we're not talking about that. For the S20, go for the green, because that's, if there was the green option in the S20 Ultra, I know in the Note 20 Ultra, I'll get that one because green is my favorite color. Plus, I mean, if you got a green phone in your ear like this and people are seeing it, they're gonna ask you straight up, what the hell is that? Anyway, let's move on right to the size. Size next. The size of this phone, absolutely beautiful. It's, I want to say it's big enough for you to hold, but obviously people have small hands, so they gonna opt for the Samsung, the Note, the normal Note 20 instead of the Note 20 Ultra, because this one is a slightly bit more bigger. I mean, like I said in my unboxing video, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, you should be able to handle this because they're roughly about the same size. Well, they're not roughly, they are the same size, but this is just a little bit wider overhead. So the S20 Ultra is slightly smaller and this is wider, but height wise, exactly the same. So yeah, it's not going to be a big issue. All you have to do is just get used to holding kind of like a wider display or wider screen or wider font, if however you want to say it. But yeah, I mean, for me, it's good. It's normal. Now, it's all right. It's quite slippery, the phone, but just be careful of that, especially if you're not that confident with using big phones. I mean, your hands are big enough to use them, but you're not so confident. Well, if you're not, this could easily drop off and slip off your hands. So a nice case would be nice to wear on it, which is nice. So, but yeah, it's gonna make it a little bit more bulky as well. So just do bear that in mind as well. But yeah, it's nice. And I think one of the features that make this phone a lot bigger is because of how straight the edge is. See how straight it is? Like, like how more straight it is, like that. Boom, boom. It's like a proper straight edge. That's what gives it more of that bigger feel to it, which is nice. And also, this phone is absolutely beautiful for multitasking because of how big it is, and then the screen, because of how big the screen is, and the fact that there's just so that there's minimum bezels on the top and minimum bezel at the top. Because of that, it's amazing for multitasking because you can have one thing open at the top and one thing open at the bottom as well, which is pretty cool. And you got a nice really a nice good real screen real estate because it's a big device, and yeah, there's more room so you can actually multitask properly. Like when I use the S20 Ultra to do my multitasking, brilliant, beautiful because it's a big phone. If you're using say like the S20 to multitask, it's quite a small phone. So yeah, you're not gonna be able to. Yeah, you just it won't work as well as using a bigger phone. It's like my monitor. Yeah, if I was using a top display, 45-inch display to multitask, one screen on one side, one screen on the other side, it's not gonna look that nice. But if I use this, my 49-inch super ultra wide to multitask, beautiful. Literally divide the screen together into, you're basically still gonna have 20 no yeah 27-inch display on both sides, which is nice, and that one is 25-inch, not 40. But yeah, which is nice. So exactly the same thing when it comes to the phones, but with this phone as well, it's a nice big display, so you will be able to multitask very nice and very easily on this phone. Anyway, we're gonna push it all the way right now to the display. The display is 6.9 inches, so big display there, and it's got that nice AMOLED panel on there as well, which makes the phone so vibrant and makes it sharp, and the colors is just absolutely amazing. And then also it's got that 120 gigahertz refresh rate in there as well, which is just amazing. I mean, from where Samsung has come from with their Note series till now, it's just absolutely awesome because we're getting all these big specs just chucked on the Note 20 Ultra, and we're like, wow, like what a difference from say the Samsung Galaxy Note 11 to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, which is so damn freaking awesome. But yeah, display on this bad boy is absolutely awesome, fresh, like it's just so sharp, yeah. Like Samsung has always had this thing that they make the sharpest display, and I keep saying it in every single review that I do about Samsung when it comes to the display, yeah. Since I had the Samsung Galaxy S3, wow, the display on that, it just made me just want to stick with Samsung because now like the years are coming by and going by, they're bringing a new technology, and then the display is just absolutely absolutely ravishing, yeah. And it just looks absolutely awesome. It's clear, it's vibrant, it's colorful, the contrast is beautiful, the sharpness is good, the tone, I can just name it, I can just name all the list because yeah, the display is just absolutely awesome. Like, I know you guys are not gonna like this, but Apple, they're kind of catching up. They're kind of catching up. Don't get me wrong. The Apple display is beautiful, but nowhere as close as this. But the iPhone 12. I did do a video on this as well. Link to being down in the description below. They're actually going to be using Samsung. Well, they're going to be asking Samsung to use the same technology they used to design our the Samsung displays to put it on the iPhone 12. I don't know how true that is, but that's just the leak. So yeah, we're gonna have to see when that phone actually comes out and see what kind of display is on there. But yeah, display, this is top in the market. So just know that. Anyway, shooting right along to the S Pen. The S Pen, wow, what an amazing feature on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Look at that. Look at that fine pen. Yeah, this pen, they've actually upgraded it a lot more than the original pens from the S10, no, from the Note 10 going down to the Note, I believe, Note 7. But yeah, it's much more sharper, yeah, and it's more to life. Like when you're using an actual pen, like the ball end, it feels so much more nicer when you use it, and it's more responsive and it's more sharper. Like when you use the pen, it like I said to you, it's like using a real pen, but it's much the experience you get with this is much more closer to the actual real thing. So you're gonna get the lines or your drawing or whatever it is exactly where you place the pen, which is nice. It's a nice feature, but yeah, also you still got the what's you call it, the multitasking as well. You can obviously press. There's a button over there. You can also press. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, this button as well. You can press to do different things as well, which is pretty damn cool. If the camera decides to focus on it, or a problem. But yeah, that button there, it's nice because you get to do things. You can get to click through things or whatever. But yeah, the pen is absolutely nice. It's nice. It's got a nice feel to it. It's small. Literally, it's got like a nice little space over there for it. For when you're done with it, you just slide it in and get that satisfying click, which is nice. Well, yeah, that's the S Pen there. Right, now the design of this phone is absolutely amazing. Coming from the Note 7, which was an absolutely shambles from Samsung, because there was a lot of news about it blowing up in people's pocket, blowing up when it's being charged and all that stuff. But yeah, anyway, that's all in the past. This is the present and this is the future. But yeah, the design of this phone is what actually drew me to the Note. I'm not a Note series guy at all. I'm not a Note series guy. I'm a S series guy. But the design of this phone just drew me so close to it because I wanted to have a look at it and see what Samsung is going to be inspired to do when it comes to designing the next S series, which will be the S21 or the S30. I'm not quite sure yet. But yeah, the design they put in this is just amazing. Like the whole design, the fact that the top of it is just flat, flush, and then the bottom of it is just flat. And then you've got this nice like curve kind of design. Like look at it. Look at it. Look at the curves and the design on that bad boy. See that? Absolutely amazing. All equal as well. And then you got the camera. Oh my god, guys, don't even gas me up, fam. I swear to God, yeah, the camera on this phone is absolutely beautiful. I even said this on my unboxing chat, on my unboxing video. If they do not bring this module to the next S series, yeah, I'm gonna go to South Korea and I will legit break the CEO's legs. I don't care. I will break his legs because you can't be putting a sick ass freaking camera module on this and not putting on the S on the next S series. It's just impossible. Like look at it. Look how the colors go inside the lens as well. Like wow, like that nice purplish color just outlining the lens. Like look at that. How freaking beautiful is that? It's honestly the best camera module I've ever seen on a freaking smartphone. Period. End of. That's it. Absolutely amazing. But yeah, the rest of the phone is just plain. It's just clean. Look at that. Look at the speaker grills, and then the charging port, and then the S Pen. Absolutely amazing. Immaculate. That's all I can say. Amazing. Anyway, the performance-wise on this is going to be so damn cool as well. Obviously, we've got the Snapdragon 865 in there as well, which is a much faster Snapdragon than the last generation. But yeah, which is going to be pretty cool. And then obviously you got that 12 gig of RAM in there, which is going to make everything so quick. And then it's going to help with that 120 gigahertz refresh rate in there as well. And also the chipset in there, the processor, which would be nice. So yeah, it's going to be much more crispier, much more smoother, and much more faster, which is always good when it comes to smartphones, because smartphones, people carry this thing every single day in their pocket, and it has to be reliable, quick, snappy, and fast for internet searching and yeah, all that shenanigans. Anyway, now we're gonna come to the camera. Wow, camera, 108 megapixel camera, 64 megapixel on the front, 100 times view zoom. What else can I say? I don't even know. No, actually, no, 30 times zoom, not 100 times zoom. But yeah, the camera is absolutely amazing. It's a joke, bro. They put a freaking 108 megapixel camera on a freaking phablet. that is a phablet, not even a phone. But yeah, that's all I want. That's all I'm gonna say with the camera, because the camera on another, that's just on another level. That's on like steroid or something. I don't even know. But yeah, anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also, please subscribe. Also, like the video, share the video, and yeah. Also, giveaway on this bad boy, I'm not sure yet, because the views and likes are not really racking up on the video I unboxed this bad boy on. So yeah, if you want to win this, please share that video of the unboxing and get more views and more likes in there. And yeah, I will give this bad boy away. Anyway, without further ado, I'll see you guys later. Peace.